Welcome to the class. Today decimals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are numbers and also known as digits and having a unique value, that is face value. And we use these numbers or digits for counting money, things, persons and many more. Weighing things, food and so many. Measuring lengths, breadths, liquids and more and more. But we need a system to do all these. That system is based on one, that is unit and number 10, called number system, and starts with 1 and continue with the multiples of 10, and it goes like 1 is equal to 1, ones place, 1 into 10, that is tens place, 1 into 10 into 10, that is hundreds place, 1 into 10 into 10, thousands place, 1 into 10 into 10 into 10, 10,000s place, and continues to 1 lakh, 10 lakh, so on. 12,714. So here the extreme right 4 is there, and 4 is in ones place, after that 10th place, hundreds place, thousandth place, 10,000th place. So from the right onwards, like 4 is multiplied with 1, that is ones place, and next 1 is multiplied with 110, that is 10th place, and 7th place is multiplied with 2 tens, that is hundreds place, and then 2 is multiplied with 3 tens, that is thousands place, and again 1 is multiplied with 10,000, that is the 10 fourths, that is 10,000th place. Ones place means number into 1, 10th place is number into 10, 100th place number into 100, 1000th place number into 1000, 10,000th place number into 10,000, where the number is greater than or equal to 1. Here the number is multiplied with 1, 110, 210, 310 and 410. The number value increases in multiples of 10. So the place value of a number depends upon the multiples of 10 of that number. The number value increases from right to left. The extreme right number is called as a unit number. That means ones place, and it is multiplied with 1. Now see this example, 36128. The extreme right number is 8. It is 8 into 1 units place. That means it multiplied with 1. 2 into 10, 10th place, multiplied with 110, 1 into 100, 100th place, multiplied with 2 tens, 6 into 1000, multiplied with 3 tens, 4 into 10,000, multiplied with 4 tens. That is, we read it as 36,128. So far we studied about the place value of numbers which are equal and greater than 1. What about numbers which are greater than 0 and less than 1? What is their place value? So we are finding out numbers between 1 and 0 means number value decreasing from 1. Earlier we have observed that place value increased when they are multiplied with tens. 1 into 10 is equal to 10th place, 1 into 2 tens is equal to 100th place. So now place value will decrease when they are divided with tens. Let us divide 1 with multiple of tens. 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 10, 1 by 10 into 10 into 10, 1 by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000. These are all nothing but fractions. 1 by 10 means 1 part from 10 parts, 1 by 100 means 1 part from 100 parts, 1 by 1000 means 1 part from 1000 parts, 1 by 10,000 means 1 part from 10,000 parts. All are proper fractions because numerator is less than denominator. So the value of the fraction is less than 1. So 1 is greater than 1 by 10, and it is greater than 1 by 100, and it is greater than 1 by 1000, and it is greater than 1 by 10,000. Number value decreasing from left to right. We got numbers between 1 and 0, but in fraction mode. How to represent them in normal number mode? We can write the numbers which are less than 1 and 0 just by giving a minus symbol like -1 and -2. Now we have to write the numbers less than 1 and greater than 0. That means in between numbers 1 and 0. But how? We can write numbers between 1 and 0 by using a dot known as decimal. Numbers right side after the decimal are called decimal numbers. We studied that to represent numbers between 1 and 0 can be written as 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000. These are in fraction mode. Now in normal mode, by using the decimal, we can write 1 by 10 as 0.1. That is place value 10th part. 1 by 100 can be written as 0.01. That is place value 100th part. And 1 by 1000 is equal to 0.001. That is place value 1000th part. And 1 by 10,000 is equal to 0.0001. Place value 10,000th part. Above we have studied about numbers, that is number part, and decimal numbers, that is fractional part. Now see this number 346.215. Here a dot, that is decimal point, separates number 346 and 215. So the numbers left to the dot are normal numbers, and numbers right to the dot, that is decimal, are fractional part numbers. Normal numbers dot decimal numbers, that is 346.215. The place value of these numbers. Normal numbers, the place value of 3 is 300, it is 100 place. Place value of 4, it is 10th place, 40. Place value of 6, it is in units place, 6. Now decimal numbers. Place value of 2, it is in 1/10th place, that is 0.2. Place value of 1, it is in 100th place, 0.01. Place value of 5, it is in 1000th place, that is 0.005. Now the number becomes 346.215. In these numbers left to the dot are integral part numbers, and numbers right to the dot are decimal part numbers. That is 346 integral part numbers and 215 are decimal part numbers. Expand form of 30.807. Now the place value of integral part numbers, that is 3, is in 10th place, that is place value becomes 3 into 10, 30. Place value of 0, 0. Place value of 8 is in decimal part, 1/10th part, that is 0.8. Place value of 0, that is in 100th part, that is 0.00. Place value of 7, that is 1000th part, that is 0.007. Then it becomes 10 plus 1 plus 1/10th part and 100th part plus 1000th part. That becomes 30.807. One more example, 968.038. Place value of 9 becomes 900. Place value of 6 becomes 60. Place value of 8 becomes 8. And decimal part, place value of 0 becomes 0.0. Place value of 3 becomes 0.03. Place value of 8 becomes 0.008. Totally it is 968.038. And we use decimal numbers in counting money. It is, we have to represent rupees and pies there. So in weighing things also, there we represent kilograms and grams, measuring distances, meters and centimeters, measuring liquids, liters and milliliters. In all these we use decimal numbers. Now we know 1 rupee is equal 100 pies. Representing pies in rupees, 5 pies. 5 pies means 5 by 100, because 1 paisa, 100 paisa becomes 1 rupee. So because 1 rupee is equal 100 pies, we can say this as rupees 5 by 100 or 0.05 rupees. Rupees 0.05. Write 50 paisa in rupees, 50 by 100, that becomes 0.50, and 75 paisa in rupees, that becomes 0.75 rupees. Rupees 36 and 85 paisa becomes rupees 36 plus 85 paisa. 36 plus 85 by 100. 36.85. Now grams and kilograms. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Write 220 grams in kgs. 220 by 1000. That is 0.220 kgs. Write 5 kgs and 305 grams. That is 5 kgs plus 305 grams. 5 plus 305 by 1000, that becomes 5.305 kgs. Measurement of distances, meters and centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, we know that. And now 45 centimeters in meters. 45 by 100, that is equal to 0.45, that is equal to 0.45 meters. 14 meters, 4 centimeters. 14 plus 4 by 100 meters, that is 14 plus 0.04, that is equal to 14.04 meters. Now comparison of decimal numbers. Which one is greater number? 5.34 or 5.43? The number in unit place that is left to the decimal point is same value number 5. Number in 1/10th place that is right to the decimal point in first number is 3 and in second number is 4. 4 is greater than 3, so 5.43 is greater than 5.34. Now compare 357.565 with 357.562. The integral part 357 is same in both numbers, and then the decimal part 1/10th place is same, that is 5, and 1 by 100th place is same, that is 6 in both amounts. 1 by 1000th place is 5 in first amount and 2 in second. 5 is greater than 2. So 357.565 is greater than rupees 357.562. Now addition of decimal numbers. 0.25 plus 5.30. 0.25 plus 5.30. That becomes 5.55. And other addition and subtraction is also same. 39.70 minus 6.85 results 32.85. While adding or subtraction, place the numbers one below the other exactly. Now some other problems. Which one is greater, 0.7 or 0.07? In both numbers, one place is 0. In 0.7, 1/10th place is 7, and in 0.07, 1/10th place is 0. So 7 is greater than 0, so 0.7 is greater than 0.07. And other problems. Now express 10 centimeters in meter and kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now first 10 centimeters can be written as 10 by 100 meters, that is 0.10 meters. Now 0.10 meters can be written as 0.10 by 1000 kilometers, that is 0.0010 kilometers. Some other same type of problems. Now grams into kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So now express 190 grams in kilograms. 190 is equal to 190 by 1000 kgs. That is 190 by 1000 is equal to 0.19 kgs. And some other problems. Now decimal numbers in expanded form. 55.5. 55.5 can be written as 50 plus 5 plus 5 by 10. And 303.03 can be written as 300 in 100th place. 10th place it is 0, and in 1st place it is 3, and again in 100th place, that is 3 by 100, that becomes 300 plus 00 plus 3 plus 3 by 100. Observe these problems. Aruna and Radha start their journey from two different places, A and E. Aruna choose the path from A to B, then to C, while Radha choose the path from E to D, then to C. Find who travelled more and by how much. Aruna travelled A to B, then to C, that is 9.5 plus 2.40, that is 11.90 kilometers. And Radha travelled 8.25 plus 3.75, that is 8.25 plus 3.75 becomes 7 kilometers. Difference of distance travelled Aruna and Radha 11.90 minus 11, that is 0.90. Aruna travelled more distance by 0.90 kilometers. Now here it is another additional problem of vegetables. Do it. Multiplication of decimal numbers. There are two ways to multiply decimal numbers. First way, let us take two simple decimal numbers 0.1 and 0.2. 0.1 into 0.2, we have to convert the decimal numbers into fractions. That is 0.1 becomes 1 by 10 and 0.2 becomes 2 by 10. 1 by 10 into 2 by 10, that is 1 into 2 by 10 into 10. 2 by 100, that is 0.02. And one other example, 1.5 into 0.3. So 15 by 10 into 3 by 10. 15 into 3 becomes 45 by 100, that is 0.45. Now the second method, 0.2 into 0.4. So in this, forget the decimals for a moment. Write 2 into 4, that becomes 8. Now count the numbers after the decimal point in both numbers. In first number it is 1 and in second it is 1. Total 2 numbers are there after the decimal point. So after multiplication, keep the decimal point before 2 numbers. So put 0 before 8 and after that a decimal. That will become 0.08. Keep a 0 before the numbers to maintain the count. There are some more examples of multiplication of decimal numbers. Division with the multiple of tens. 31.5 divided by 10. 31.5 can be written as 315 by 10 divided by 10 by 1. So these are fractions, division of fractions. In the division of fractions, the first fraction multiplies with the reciprocal of second fraction. That will become 315 by 10 into 1 by 10. That 315 by 100, that is equal to 3.15. And like that some other problems are there. Here division with 35.7 divided by 3. So 35.7 can be written as 357 by 10 divided by 3 by 1. Now 357 by divided by 10 multiply with the reciprocal of 3 by 1, that is 1 by 3. So 357 by 10 into 1 by 3 becomes 357 by 30. So now it will become 11.9. Now follow all these problems. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. We know area of rectangle is equal length into breadth. 6.2 into 4. 6.2 becomes 62 by 10 into 4 by 1. That is 248 by 10. 24.8 into centimeter. Distance of 62.5 kilometers consuming of 1 liter of petrol. How much distance it covers in 10 liters of petrol? Distance covers in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 62.5 kilometers. Now distance covers in 10 liters of petrol is equal to 62.5 into 10. That is 625 by 10 into 10. So 6250 by 10. That is equal to 625.0 kilometers. And see some more problems. Length of a side of a polygon is equal to 3.5 centimeters. And perimeter of a polygon is equal to 17.5. Perimeter of polygon is equal to number of sides into length of side. So number of sides into 3.5 becomes 17.5. Now number of sides is equal to 17.5 divided by 3.5. That becomes 175 by 10 divided by 35 by 10. That is 175 by 10 into reciprocal of 35 by 10. That is 175 by 10 into 10 by 35. After the division we will get 5. Number of sides is equal to 5. Rainfall recorded in 7 hours is equal to 0.896. Now amount of rain per hour is equal to 0.896 divided by 7. That is 896 by 1000 divided by 7 by 1. That becomes 896 by 1000 into reciprocal of 7 by 1. That is 1 by 7. So 896 by 7 into 1 by 1000, that is after division we will get 128 by 1000, that becomes 0.128. Average rainfall is equal to 0.128 centimeters.